What's the difference between affect and effect? Hello everyone, you're watching my English Planet. Welcome. Well, these two words are two of the most commonly confused words in English, but don't worry, I'm here and I'll help you keep them straight. Well, I have only 2 minutes to talk about the differences between these words. So let's start and see if I can do this or not. And at the end of the lesson, there is a quiz about the topic of this lesson. About these two words. And I want you to try to answer the quiz after watching these 2 minutes to realize whether you have learned this lesson or not. First of all, you need to learn the pronunciation of these two words. This one, affect, affect. Well, it starts with a schwa, affect, affect. It is a verb. But this one, effect, effect. Well, it starts with a short e, effect. And the stress in both words are placed on the second syllables. So, affect, affect. Let's talk about the differences in their meanings. Well, the word affect means to change somebody or something, or to have an influence on somebody or something. Like the rain affected our plans, our picnic plans. It means the rain changed our picnic plans. Or it's a disease that affects older people. Okay, it means it has an influence on older people. Now, in this sentence, you tell me which one is correct. Lack of sleep affects your concentration. Lack of sleep affects on your concentration. Well, I have to tell you that the second sentence is not correct. It's false. We never use the word on after affect. Let's talk about the second word, effect. Well, effect is a noun and it means the result of a change. Okay, the consequence of a particular change, like the divorce of her parents had a big effect on her. So, a big effect on her. After the word effect, you can use on. Okay, or the medicine had the effect of sleeping on me. Had the effect of sleeping on me. So, the only thing you have to remember is this. Affect is a verb and it means to change something. Effect is a noun and it means the result of a change. So that's it. I told you the differences between these two different words in only 2 minutes. So here is the quiz. I give you 2 sentences and you have to tell me which sentence is correct. The first one. Plastic surgery had an effect not only on her appearance but on her self-esteem. Number 2, plastic surgery had an effect not only on her appearance, but on her self-esteem. So don't forget to tell me in the comments that which sentence is correct, A or B, the first one or the second one. So thank you all for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to see the other videos I upload on my channel every week. And you should know that I really love you. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!